Hello, I'm happy to be inviting you to our workshop at Osho Lila. It's called The Magic of Reality. And this title's always fascinated me because I used to think that the magic was always in fantasy. The magic is in dreams. But no, it's the opposite. Once we really allow ourselves to relax into the moment, into what is really happening around us, that's where the magic is. So we would like to share with you meditation methods that we love to do. Marco plays live music for the meditations that's created specially for them. And the meditations are from Osho's Book of Secrets, and they're meditations that we take into daily life, meditations on our senses, for example, meditations on listening, on looking, meditations on light and on darkness. So the meditations become really part of our daily life. They're not something to be done separately from daily life. And once you get the knack of them, they transform your life. Some of the meditations will be done with each other, with partners, and some will be done alone and in silence. The meditations are very simple, but go very deep. And the meditations are of play. They are a lot of fun to do as well. So please, think about it, or don't think about it, and come. See you there. Bye-bye.